2019 Ford Escape. Okay, the steering make a lot of noise, bray, 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 something like that. This one, Ford Escape. So I'm trying to lose the subframe so I can easily work on the steering. So right now I already lose somehow, so I'm gonna move the auto tire off, lower control arm, and then the swivel link I'm gonna move them all. So I already moved some of suffering over here, and then exhaust mount, something like that. I already moved it. So next step I'm gonna move the subframe. Okay, this one. So I'm gonna move the lower engine mount, something like that. This one too. So that's one will be easy to walk on. It's time to move the subframe. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna move that subframe right there. Okay, I'm not gonna move this one because I'm gonna save the time, right? So you see, right here subframe, and then another problem, you have to move the swiveling, the whole set. Okay, if not, you cannot remove the steering. You see, the swiveling, subframe. Yeah. Oh. Something right here. Is right there. Okay, so I think this Ford Escape is more easier than the Lexus. I think this one is very good. So this one is it. Oh one. Okay. So what's going on here? So you have to move this one. Okay, like this, right? You just press like that and move it. So I think that's cool. And we're gonna use this one. Okay, thank you. So we got a new one, right? Everything cool. Got a new one. Everything tight. This one tied up. Oh boy. That's cool. This one we're gonna do later. And then we're gonna need to adjust the alignment too. Okay. That's it. Oh well. That's when it should make a really big noise. Something like that. Okay.